What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Deja welcoming you back to Clockwise Crypto, where we bring you the latest crypto news and show you how to make money in this crypto space. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification just so you're alerted every time we drop these videos. All right, so today's segment, we're going to talk about, is Bitcoin dead? What's going on? All right, stay tuned. Okay, so jumping right into the crypto fear greed meter, we're going to look at it. Today it's still reading fear. Yesterday it read fear too, but I wanted to point out to you guys, yesterday the fear meter was at 26 and today it's at 31. All right, as you can see right here. Now, that means that the meter is slowly going towards the greed side. And remember what I said, that when it's fear, that's when you really want to invest, because obviously a lot of people aren't investing and they're skeptical, and this is the time you need to get in on really good projects from the ground up. Okay, you don't really want to invest when the market is greed, because everybody's doing it and you're not obviously going to get in at really good prices. Okay, so that's just my take on it. Just keep a good lookout on it, but it is slowly going to the green. Okay, so we'll stay keeping an eye out on this. All right, so on to our first story. It says Bitcoin dips 3.6% from weekly highs. What are the key BTC levels to watch for? All right, so the Bitcoin price, it was threatened with a significant retracement over the weekend into Monday, this past Monday. All right, as weekly highs saw their first test. All right, now data from the chart show Bitcoin dipping down to 43,000 before recovering. All right, so if we go and look at the charts, I want to look at it right here. All right, so as you can see, Bitcoin has, been making lower highs and higher highs, which is very good for a trending up market. That's what we want to see, right? So, I mean, right now we're looking, it's at a minor pullback, and as you can see, it's already coming up and it's breaking above this resistance level, which is good. All right, so what I'm hoping to see is it come up, retest this line again before shooting back up. All right, so I really wouldn't be worried, even though the article was saying that, what's going on, and when it did a minor 3.7% retracement. That's nothing I feel we should be really worried about, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because the market has to correct itself before continuing to go up. That's just how this market goes. It moves in waves. All right, so no need to panic. If you're a trader, you already know this. This is nothing, new to us. But if you're not a trader, you're probably, you probably get a little scared by these pullbacks, but it's really nothing to worry about. So this is very healthy. It's still above our trail line, and now it's above, the pullback is still above this support line, the recent support level. So honestly, I just feel we're going to continue to go up. Things are changing around, and it's a lot of crypto adoption going on right now. So the market is going to continue to go up. We will have pullbacks, but that's part of a healthy trending market. Okay, so moving on to our next story. The topic is El Salvador has postponed the Bitcoin bonds to September. All right. Now, the government of El Salvador has reportedly decided to postpone the issue of the Bitcoin-backed bonds due to its unfavorable market conditions fueled by geopolitical crisis. Now, the volcano bond will not go live in March as expected previously, which was said by the finance minister, Zilela. All right. Now, Zalela claims that in the delay in issuing debt is due to current events affecting Bitcoin prices. Now, the volatility of these markets makes it difficult for El Salvador's government and financial institutions alike. But in September, it will be able to provide a more favorable conditions as they await their chance at an international investor capital markets after this month, if everything goes well with Ukraine and everything is solved by then. All right. Now, Bitcoin is trading at its highest in months and it's up over 10% since last week. Now, the crypto, they have lost nearly 50% of value due to news that the Salvadorian government may soon issue Bitcoin bonds with an initial yield at around 3%. Now, in November in 2021, El Salvador president he announced that plans to issue a bond in the cryptocurrency. Now, the 6% coupon and the 50% Bitcoin dividends are expected from the issuance of the mortgage, which will fund $1 billion towards construction for a Bitcoin city. All right, and an installation dedicated primarily towards the geothermal energy powered mining using nearby volcanoes as well. All right, now the government, they slowed down its pace on buying Bitcoin in recent months with no new purchases announced since January 2022. So, I mean, I really thought this was a good thing that El Salvador was doing, and it's probably a good time because a lot of projects, they also hold out when the market is like, shaky, or when there's uncertainty in the market. Everybody pauses on things until the market gets back better. So this is really is it's a lot of projects do it, a lot of companies do this. So this is really no news to me of why they're doing this. They want to wait until the markets are a little healthier, and that's okay. So we'll keep an eye on El Salvador and what they're going to be doing with those bonds. I really think it's a good thing what they're doing, by the way. All right, so on to our next story. So this one says Ethereum advances towards solving major concerns with the ETH 2.0. Okay. Now, Ethereum is set for a major upgrade that could revolutionize how we use the blockchain technology. Now, the new modified Ethereum blockchain may soon be rendering all other cryptocurrencies and make them obsolete due to its low energy consumption and high speeds. Now, the Ethereum blockchain is expected to reduce its energy consumption by 99.5% with the new ETH 2.0 update. Now, while Ethereum is busy changing its technology to use less electricity, Bitcoin has no plans on doing so. Last week, actually, a test that was mimicking the most extensive merger between these two systems was successful and led to ETH's price outperforming Bitcoin's price. Now, the price of Ether has gone up over 13% in the last week, while Bitcoin's value, it only increased to about 7%. Right? One of the reasons for this change is that there are more people using Ethereum because it uses a method called proof of work, right? Now, miners will soon be able to validate transactions by staking part of their crypto in dedicated wallets after the environmentally friendly upgrade. Now, this method is less energy intensive, and because it doesn't need expensive computers and stuff, this means that there's more money left over for buying other things. All right, so I can't wait for ETH 2.0. I'm a big advocate of Ethereum, so this is great news for me. So hopefully it's great news for you, because I feel that you should definitely have Ethereum in your wallet. Okay, in your portfolio. I'm sorry. In your wallet too, obviously. But Ethereum is going places, so don't sleep on Ethereum. All right. Okay, so in our final story, now it says Shiba USD is bearish for the next 24 hours. Now I wanted to throw a little Shiba news in here for all my Shiba lovers because we can't obviously ignore them. Okay, so it says Shiba Inu's price action for today is finally bullish after 2 days of consolidation and sideways trading. Now, the first hour saw a open with a strong momentum pushing it up to where investors hope for an ultimate breakout into new highs. Now, the bears took control of the market for a brief period in the second half, but they were quickly pushed back by the bulls, who maintained prices throughout where the price currently is right now, where it's trading. Now, overall, Shiba Inu is bearing for the next 24 hours, but we could see a quick rebound if the bulls can take control of the market. Now, the Shiba Inu market is showing signs of positive action. Now, this means that there's potential for more gains in value, which is really good, which will lead to an increase over time. All right. Now, however, as revealed by the 4-hour analysis, it might also be possible for reversal movement directions depending on how things go down today. Now, with the equity trading session alone, so place your stop losses accordingly, just in case you want to avoid any losses at all costs. All right. So this was just a little news I thought was interesting, because a lot of people did get out of Shiba Inu because, it was losing value, but it's actually starting to look good now. So you probably want to get onto this if you like those type of coins. Shiba is like another one, like Dogecoin or whatever. But anyway, nevertheless, that is all I had to cover today. I want to thank you guys for tuning in today. Please let me know what you guys think of these stories in the comment section, and let me know what Shiba something you guys are thinking of putting in your portfolio. What do you guys think? All right, please go ahead and hit that like button, and also share this video with like-minded people that want to learn about crypto. All right, I want to thank you guys and have a good day. Bye.